We are highlighting zucchini, one of the stars of the summer growing season. Zucchini is abundant at local farmers markets, roadside stands, and maybe even in your home garden. Whether you don't want to eat wheat, you're just trying to reduce carbs, or you're trying to increase your veggie intake, this is such a great trick. We're going to be making zoodles today, which are noodles made from zucchini. You can buy them fresh or frozen in the store, but to save money and get a better product, we're going to make them today right here at home. So you're definitely going to want to wash these. All you need is zucchini, olive oil, and salt. That's the basis here. And we've got a pan that we've been preheating. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in. And I'm going to take a peeler. Now, you could use a spiraling tool to make spaghetti-shaped zoodles, but you don't have to have special tools. You could just use a veggie peeler like I'm going to do, and we're going to make more of a pappardelle or fettuccine type flat pasta. And then we're just going to start peeling, skin and all. These have already been washed, directly into our pan. And we want to be careful to stop when we get to the seeds. We're not going to use the part that has the seeds in it. It's too watery and it'll change the texture. All right, so we're going to put a little bit of fresh garlic in this pan. You could use dried if that's what you have. And I'm just using a microplaner, which is just a mini cheese grater. It's one of my most favorite, most versatile kitchen tools. And now we're just going to make sure that we mix them up really well while they're cooking. These are only going to be on the heat for about 2 to 3 minutes tops. We want them to still be a little bit on the al dente or slightly crisp side. They still retain all that beautiful green color. And they won't be mushy like the kind that you get from the freezer. And then all we have to do is plate them up. Zucchini is very versatile, it's affordable, it's packed with nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. And we're just gonna twirl some up on a plate here, just like that. And to that we can add just a pinch of salt. You could add pepper if you wanted. I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. And this is perfect as is, or you could also top it with tomato sauce, grilled chicken, grilled shrimp, anything you would put on top of pasta. You could even mix this in with cooked pasta and it would be a nice way to kind of lighten it up and boost the veggie intake. I hope you give this a twirl, and remember, shop local, eat smart.
This institution is an equal opportunity provider.